Welcome to my show. Today we have a special guest. Can you introduce your name?
Yes, my name is Vaibhavi and I am Prisha's mommy.
We are gonna make Dabeli. Are you ready?
Alright, so Prisha, to make the Dabeli, we're gonna add the mashed potatoes in this bowl. Uh-oh, be careful. Right. And then we're gonna mix the Dabeli masala.
All of it?
Yes, all of it. Yes. And then we're gonna put 3 spoons of this chutney, the sweet chutney. Yes. 1, 2, and then 3. And then we're gonna mix it up. Perfect. Alright, so now since we have everything mixed up, we're gonna put the sweet chutney on one of the buns and the green chutney on the other one. Awesome. And then put the sweet chutney on the other one. Right. Alright, you ready, Prisha? So now we're going to take the Dabeli filling and then put it on the bun. Okay? And spread it out. You can take some more as needed.
Mommy, is this good?
Yes, I think we need some more filling. So we're going to add some more here. And then spread it out. Okay? And then?
What are we gonna do next?
Alright, so we'll add the toppings now. We need cilantro.
Okay. What do we need next?
Coconut.
Is this good?
Yes, I think we can add some more. Right, and then peanuts. You want to spread it out, Prisha? There we go. You can add some save on top. Some more. Okay. I think that looks good. And then our Dabeli is ready.
Mommy, are you ready to taste it?
Yes, I'm so ready, Prisha.
Let's eat it. 1, 2, 3. It's so yummy.
It is so good.
Mommy, thank you for coming to my show.
Thank you, Prisha. I had so much fun.
Please like
and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.